Hi everyone, welcome to this video on 4 investments that will bring you passive income. Passive income is money earned from doing very little active work or labor. It can help you achieve your financial goals, such as saving for retirement, paying off debt, or funding your lifestyle. In this video, we will explore 4 popular options for generating passive income. We will discuss the pros and cons of each option, as well as some examples of how they work in practice. But before we start, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get started. Properties. One of the most common ways to generate passive income is through rental real estate. Rental real estate can provide you with a steady source of income from collecting rent from tenants. You can also benefit from capital appreciation if you sell your property for a higher price than you bought it. However, rental real estate also comes with some challenges and costs. You need to have enough capital to buy and maintain the property, as well as deal with tenants, repairs, taxes, and insurance. You also need to do market research and manage your portfolio effectively to maximize your returns. Some examples of rental real estate investments are real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own and operate income-producing properties. They pay out most of their earnings as dividends to shareholders, making them a convenient way to invest in the real estate sector. The good thing about REITs is that you don't need a large capital to invest. Single-family homes. These are houses that you own and rent out to individual tenants. Multi-family homes. These are buildings that contain multiple units that you rent out to multiple tenants. Dividend stocks. Another way to generate passive income is through dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks of companies that pay a portion of their profits back to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends can provide you with a steady source of income and also offer the potential for capital appreciation over time. However, dividend stocks also come with some risks and limitations. You need to have enough knowledge and experience to select and monitor the right dividend stocks for your portfolio. You also need to be aware of the impact of changes in interest rates and market conditions on your dividend income. Bonds. A third way to generate passive income is through bonds. Bonds are debt instruments that pay a fixed amount of interest over a specified period of time. They can provide you with a steady source of income and also offer the potential for capital preservation or appreciation over time. However, bonds also come with some risks and challenges. You need to have enough knowledge and experience to select and monitor the right bonds for your portfolio. You also need to be aware of the impact of changes in interest rates and market conditions on your bond value and income. Some examples of bonds are government bonds. These are bonds issued by governments or public entities that offer low risk and high liquidity. Corporate bonds. These are bonds issued by corporations or businesses that offer higher risk and higher return. Income funds. A fourth way to generate passive income is through income funds. Income funds are mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that's focused on investing in securities that are designed to generate income for investors. For example, they might invest in dividend-paying stocks, bonds or treasury bills, real estate investment trusts, money market instruments, and shares of preferred stock. They can provide you with a diversified portfolio of income-generating assets and also offer the potential for capital preservation or appreciation over time. However, income funds also come with some risks and limitations. You need to have enough knowledge and experience to select and monitor the right income funds for your portfolio. You also need to be aware of the fees associated with investing in income funds. Some examples of income funds are dividend growth funds. These are funds that invest in companies that have a history of increasing their dividends over time. Value-oriented funds. These are funds that invest in companies that are undervalued by the market. Of course, there are many other ways to generate passive income, such as creating online courses, writing ebooks. Those ways need less startup capital, but will require more time and effort to set up. We can talk about those methods in other videos. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching.